Social Element is a platform that hire digital moderators to monitor online communities, respond to comments, identify toxic comments, and remove them. So if you are conversant with social media, if you love being on social media like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or even YouTube, you love reading comments, you love responding comments, why not get paid doing what you love doing? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you two platforms that can pay you to do similar jobs, to do what you normally would do on daily basis. This time around, you're getting paid doing them. Looking for different ways to make extra income online is worthwhile if you see anyone that actually pays you. Which is why in this video I'll be breaking it down how you can get started with these two platforms and how you can earn on these two platforms. So you may want to watch this video to the end. If one did not work for you, the second one might work for you. You are welcome to this space. If this is your first time seeing this channel, my name is Stacy. On this channel, I always share different ways to make passive income online, either through Amazon KDP or through other online sources. So if you love this type of content, kindly subscribe, turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I drop a new video. The first platform I'll be talking about is Social Element career page. On this page, you get hired to read comments on different social media platforms. All right, you are also required to identify toxic comments to remove them. What this platform practically does is to ensure that they keep the social space, the online community space, accessible for everyone to enjoy. So they hire digital moderators to do all of these small tasks like reading people's comments. They respond to comments and identify inappropriate comments, removing them, and just simple jobs like this. I can get paid up to $10 to $20 per hour depending on the projects you are given to do. This is something you can do from the comforts of your home using your mobile phone. It's something that you will normally do on daily basis, checking out different social media posts on Facebook, on TikTok, on Instagram, and reading comments. So if you love reading comments, you can apply on this platform to get hired, to be receiving payment, reading people's comments, responding to comments, and identifying inappropriate comments to remove them. So that is practically what you'll be doing on this platform. To get started, all you need to do is to go to career.socialelement.agency/job. So when you get there, you locate their career page, you click on chat moderator, community manager, roles, submit application, then you will pass a skill assessment test before you can get hired. Looking at this platform, this video, you can see different roles you can apply for: social media community manager and moderator. So this is, if you can do this, you click on it. Or they also have location where this is they require this person to be, well, it can actually work from anywhere in the world. So this particular one, they require a moderator, a social media community manager and moderator from Canada. This is from Poland. This is from London, social insight manager. Then they also, this one is freelance account director from Europe. Different job title from different parts of the world. So you can just check it out and check the one that is most suitable for you. And remember, you can come here and check the rules they have here and department, then check the one that is most appropriate for you too. So you can actually do this from anywhere you are in the world. So you can check this out and see if it's something you can do. You can earn as much as low as $10 and as much as $20 per hour. So it's something that is worth trying. All right. Then the second one will be Toloka. Toloka is a platform that offers micro task jobs that require no much commitment. Is a kind of task you can complete using just your phone. You don't need a laptop to do this job. The job on this platform is very easy to do. Something like labeling images, verifying website content, and even listening to audio. The juicy part is that there is no special skill required to do this job or to get hired. You can work at your own pace on this platform. You can work at your own pace depending on your schedule, and you can work from any location wherever you are in the world. What you practically do on this platform depends on what you choose, depending on the task you choose. Either you're labeling images or categorizing products online, or you're verifying information for accuracy, or you're answering short survey questions. All these are something you can do from the comfort of your home using your phone. You can also do this while enjoying your break period, your lunch break at work. So it's a very small job that do not require much time to complete, and you can earn as little as 1 cent to 20 cents per completed task. That means you can earn up to $10 per task, depending on your consistency and depending on the type of task you choose to do. To get started, all you need to do is to download the app from either your App Store or your Play Store. Then you create an account, then you complete your profile and choose a task and start working on that task, and you start earning. It's practically easy to do. So you can either looking at this screen, you can see different things you can do. Get data label, run survey, collect online data, gather field data. So if you are interested to work on this platform, what you can do is to log in, create an account, just go to this platform. You can download the app or you go through their website, you create an account, log in, and you start earning. It's as simple as that. So these are ways you can actually make passive income online. You have to put in the work for you to earn money. There is no free money anywhere. People are actually earning from this platform that we share online. It's not something that is not real. It is real. It's for you to just commit on doing one or two of them and be really committed in doing them. Devote your time, your free time, and do this. Once you create an account and log in, you see different tasks available. You choose them and you start completing those tasks to earn. That's practically how you can make passive income using Toloka and social elements. So these are two platforms you can actually use to make money online. This will be all for this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you again in my next video.